And welcome back. In part one, we laid the strategic foundation for great email design, which if you missed, pause this video and check that one out first. I'll go ahead and post a card up here to make it super easy for you to check out. Now today, we're grabbing our digital hard hats and we're building an email from the ground up. The Ultimate Email Design Playbook Part 2, which is the building blocks. We're going to build a standard promotional email block by block, okay? So with that said, let's go ahead and dive into it. Block one is the header and the pre-header. Every email, what does it do? It starts at the top. The first block should almost always be your header, which contains your logo. It's not something you want to make too big. You don't want to like overwhelm the email right from the get-go, okay? But it should be big enough where it should be easy to identify, but you don't want it to dominate the entire first section, okay? And now for the secret weapon most people ignore, the pre-header. This is the short line of text that appears after the subject line in most inboxes. Don't just let it pull in the default text, which is like view in browser, okay? Use it to support your subject line and create way more intrigue. It's just free real estate, so you want to make sure that you use it. Now, block two, which is the body, so your images and copy. This here is your story. I like to start with a powerful hero image. This image should instantly communicate the emotion and the topic of your email. You want to use high quality relevant photos whenever possible, which there's really no excuse, okay? And if you need some stock photos, there are tons of royalty-free sites that you can download them. However, these are some of my favorites. You have pexels.com, unsplash.com, and pixabay.com. And pro tip, it also doesn't need to just be a static photo. A lot of people also add a GIF here to really capture the attention with something moving right as soon as the recipient opens it. So, you know, if that fits your vibe and your audience, lean into it because why not? Beneath the image, add your copy. Keep it short and scannable. Use a clear, compelling headline, short paragraphs, and bullet points, especially if you're listing features or benefits. Remember that white space we talked about in part one? This is where it is absolutely critical to use. Give your text room to breathe, okay? You don't want a wall of text like the example that I showed you earlier. And there's block three, which is the call to action, aka your CTA. This is the one thing you want your reader to do, okay? Let me emphasize this. A weak CTA is a wasted email. And let's be real, we don't want that, do we? We don't want to waste time writing these for no reason, okay? So let's make sure the CTA is awesome. You want to use a button, not just a text link. It's more visually prominent and most importantly, touch-friendly on mobile. You want to make it a contrasting color as well. It should really pop off the page. You don't want it blending into your current design, making it very easy to overlook, because like I said earlier, then it could become a wasted email. And you want to use action-oriented specific text as well. Instead of learn more, try something like get your free checklist or reserve your spot. Of course, change it up to fit whatever you're promoting, but the key here is to tell them exactly what will happen when they actually click. Block four, which is the footer. Finally, every email needs a footer. This isn't just for decoration, it's actually for legal compliance and trust. Now, this is already in the email builder, but let's say you accidentally delete it or just want a different design. You can actually find that under the footer section on the sidebar here. Now, your footer must include a clear unsubscribe link and your physical address to comply with laws like the CAM spam, which, if you don't know, in brief, it's a law that sets the rules for commercial email and gives recipients the right to have you stop emailing them. But outside of that, the footer is also the perfect place to link like your social media profiles and remind people why they are on your list in the first place. And there you have it, a beautiful, well-structured email built block by block. But now the question is it ready to be out in the wild? In our final part of this series, we'll do our pro level checks. We're going to cover mobile optimization, accessibility, and the crucial step of testing to make sure our email looks perfect in every inbox. So if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss it. And with that said, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next one.